the best software for email marketing. Hello friends, my name is Jackie Williams. Today I will be talking about the best email marketing software for your small business. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so now, so that you will be notified of other value-packed videos which will soon be published. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and click on the all from the drop-down, to enable you be the first to be notified when the videos are released. Also share this video to your friends, if you get value from it. Let me know your comments in the comments section below. The links to all the email marketing software mentioned in this video are in the description section below. You can check them out. Now that you've done all these, let's go. 1. Systeme.io. Systeme.io is the newest entry in the field of email service providers. But it has taken the email marketing space by storm. The quality of the product is amazing. Its functionality is excellent and the price is incredible. Systeme.io is quite easy to use, comparable in a lot of ways to ClickFunnels, but at a cheaper price. Their support team is top-notch and their response time is extremely fast and customers are being treated as real people. The system is extremely easy to use. You could save a lot of expenses and disappointments normally encountered using other systems. Testimonies are still pouring in from satisfied customers who give a lot of kudos to the amazing support team. They offer help with the minutest details. Their user interface, UX, is simple, and the page builder is quick and easy to use. Their free plan is fantastic, you get so much. You'll simply be intrigued by this software, considering its age in the market. It is quite inexpensive and could provide you with a competitive advantage over other niches. Do you want to create and launch a course inside of Systeme? It's a breeze. The best part of Systeme.io is that everything is on one platform. The courses, emails, funnels, and so forth. When everything is automated in one location, it makes life so much simpler. Most users of Systeme.io, SIO, posit that it's going to be a top contender if not the top in the email marketing space very soon. One user put it this way: it is a superb combination of simplicity plus sophistication. This is the greatest option on the market right now for new and intermediate online marketers. Nothing comes close. Nothing compares to it in terms of convenience, functionality, affordability, and support. What features are you looking for in your digital marketing business? Systeme.io has it. Is it video hosting, blogs, e-commerce ready checkouts, or a membership site? A powerful and user-friendly website builder, multiple intelligent pop-ups per page, surveys, CRM. Flexible embeddable forms for other platforms such as WordPress, an internal deadline funnel system, and an advanced email visual builder? The most outstanding features. Sales funnels. Create funnels easily based on proven templates. Email marketing. Send unlimited emails and create email campaigns. Website builder. Easily set up your website in under 10 minutes. Affiliate program management. Create an affiliate program, and automate affiliate payouts. Business automation. Save time and energy by automating your business. Evergreen webinars. Run evergreen webinars to grow your audience and make sales. Online courses. Build your online course, and manage your students. Blogging. Create high-converting content and get more traffic. Sell products. Become a drop shipper or sell your own products. With all of these functionalities, Systeme.io is practically 10 times less expensive than the majority of other funnel builders, ClickFunnels, ActiveCampaign, Teachable. It's a welcome platform, especially for newbies in the realm of digital marketing. Systeme.io has a 4-tier pricing plan which can be billed monthly or annually. The annual billing helps you save 30% of the total annual payable amount. The free plan includes $0 per month, and a maximum of 2,000 email lists. Startup plan includes $27 per month, 5,000 email list. Webinar plan includes $47 per month, 10,000 email list. The unlimited plan includes $97 per month and an unlimited email list. At the risk of sounding very salesy, I think System.io is the only platform that has everything you need to launch, grow and scale your online business. That's why I'm giving it a 5-star rating. I recommend it to all small business owners. 2. ActiveCampaign. Because it contains hundreds of pre-built automation that allows you to customize campaigns for each user. ActiveCampaign is the finest email marketing software for automation. As you're getting things set up, there are training tutorials throughout the platform, and ActiveCampaign's customer service is quick and courteous. Pros. They have excellent automation features that streamline customer interactions. Their customer service is helpful, courteous, and quick. Data transfer and implementation services are included in all plan levels. Cons. The learning curve might be difficult. The Lite plan is quite restricted, and includes ActiveCampaign branding. The cost of plans rapidly increases as the number of contacts increases. ActiveCampaign is email-based customer experience automation, CXA, software. Since it is intended to handle contacts and the sales process, it has over 850 integrations. The program is available for a 14-day free trial. Following that, you must subscribe to one of the 4 premium plans, which may be paid monthly or annually. The gains for paying annually range from 15% to 40%, depending on the plan. The number of contacts you have on your list determines the cost of each plan. Non-profits get 20% off. Lite, $15 per month. Plus, $70 each month. Professional, $159 each month. Enterprise, $279 per month. You may purchase a plan and personalize it to your contact count while still obtaining the basic plan features. For example, you might begin with 500 contacts and eventually increase it to 100,000 contacts for $405 each year. The Plus, Professional, and Enterprise subscriptions enhance the customer relationship management, CRM, functionalities of your platform. ActiveCampaign has an edge in this area since it enables businesses to design customized automation to increase subscriber engagement. The interface is simple to use and intuitive, with features to assist with any issues that may emerge during the procedure. It also includes sales automation, which allows your marketing and sales processes to work together to produce greater revenue. 3. Aweber. Aweber is one of the world's oldest and most well-known email marketing service providers. They provide a comprehensive range of solutions to assist small and medium-sized businesses to manage their email marketing. Aweber is simple to use. It easily integrates with other platforms, including WordPress. You're allowed access to ready-to-use HTML email templates, complete email tracking, autoresponders, list management, and A/B testing. Aweber equally contains advanced email marketing tools, including automated RSS to email for blogs, AMP emails, and segmentation of subscribers with tags. Support services include phone support, live chat, live webinars, email support, and a large library of how-tos and tutorials. You can enjoy a 500 subscribers limit-free plan with Aweber. When your contacts volume passes 500, you're bound to upgrade. Their pricing starts from $19 per month. You can capitalize on their quarterly or annual plans to save even more money. 4. Constant Contact. Constant Contact is a wonderful email service provider used by thousands of companies and small businesses all over the world. It's reputed to be one of the fastest growing and largest email marketing services. It is an easy-to-use and very beginner-friendly, though not cost-effective, email marketing service. The user interface is commendable and one can easily manage his email lists, contacts, and email templates. Other features include the marketing calendar. Constant Contact has different account plans. Each account is loaded. It allows you access to unlimited emails and provides easy tracking, reporting, and built-in social media sharing tools. Also included are an amazing free image library, list segmentation, and Facebook ads integration. not to mention a powerful e-commerce integration option for Shopify stores. Their Email Plus account is something else. It comes with powerful structures like drip campaigns, email automation, and surveys and polls. It has coupons, online donations, and subject line A/B testing tools. These help you send targeted emails to enhance your open rate. With Constant Contact, you get impressive customer support, live chat, phone calls, email community support, and a host of other helpful resources. Once in a while, in addition to their online training, they offer in-person live seminars across the United States. Small business owners benefit immensely from these seminars as they use them to quickly learn the basics of email marketing. There is no doubt that Constant Contact, from their impressive records above, is one of the top most rated email marketing services for small businesses and startups. Constant Contact has a $9.99 per month startup price, after their 60-day free trial, where no credit card is required. 5. Drip. Email marketing software differs from one to another, depending on the purpose of the business. Drip is most suitable for e-commerce enterprises because of its comprehensive operations and deep list segmentation. People on your contact list will receive tailored emails determined by their buying habits on your site. Depending on how they interact with your newsletters, they will receive timely email follow-ups. Pros. Drip email service has a simple but effective easy setup mode and utilizes excellent client service advanced contact list segmentation. Cons. Several critical other site integrations are missing. Drag and drop feature for creating templates is not available. Support can only be accessed during the week from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Apart from the shortcoming, Drip is the premium email marketing software for e-commerce businesses, as it is designed to improve the online shopping experience for customers. Their customer service team is always at hand to assist with issues relating to setting up and utilizing the service. You can use the contacts segmentation option to segment your list so your contacts get the best possible experience from your website contents and email alerts. This is commendable and sticks them up as one of the recommended email marketing services. Drip offers a 14-day free trial on one plan. The one plan ranges from $19 to $1,599 per month depending on the volume of the contacts in your account. Are you getting value from this video? Then consider subscribing. Hit the bell notification icon, share and leave your comments below. Below are a few of the price points. Up to 500 subscribers, $19 per month. 501 to 2,000 subscribers, $29 per month. 2,001 to 2,500 subscribers, $39 per month. 2,501 to 3,000 subscribers, $49 per month. You may need to negotiate directly with the owners of the service if you have a contact list that is more than the above figures. Their enterprise pricing is the last tier when your contacts scale up to 140,000 contacts. Then the price will start from $1,599, though it depends on your negotiation with the owners. Drip, as already stated, is built for e-commerce. The designers integrated the workflows, email templates, and lead generation forms that pertain to e-commerce best practices into the service. Advanced segmentation and customization that make it possible for you to hyper-target your campaigns to increase user engagement are all included. 6. ConvertKit. ConvertKit, like some of the ones mentioned above, is a vigorous email marketing platform for professional bloggers, authors, and marketers. Its powerful but user-friendly interface makes it very easy to use. With its intention of helping bloggers grow their businesses, ConvertKit offers a unique feature that permits you to effortlessly offer content upgrades and incentives with email sign-up forms, coupled with an easy-to-manage autoresponder that allows you to send organized emails from their emailing platform. One other interesting thing is that with ConvertKit, you can simply segment your contacts into those who are interested in your affiliate offer and those who have already purchased. This gives you the added advantage of increasing conversions with automated emails that have a personal touch. Marketing experts call this targeted email marketing. Indeed, ConvertKit has all the powerful features you'd expect from a top-notch email marketing software. Be it A/B testing, smart workflows, landing page builder, beautiful email templates, and more. ConvertKit will not leave you in the cold. That's why they provide a robust email-based support team that is always handy to help you resolve any issue you have regarding their service. Their extensive knowledge base is worth commending. That's not all. ConvertKit further provides features such as paid newsletters, which are specifically designed for content creators and professional bloggers. You can see the reasons why I rate them as one of the top-notch email marketing services for professional bloggers. You can even sell digital products and subscriptions from their platform. ConvertKit pricing starts from $29 per month, but they offer a 14-day free trial and a 30-day refund policy. If you want more advanced features like a newsletter referral system, then you must go for their Creator Pro plan.